What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Char, and today I am excited to share with you some of the products that I've been loving for the month of May. And I also want to introduce this big goofball. This is my assistant, little Miss Boo Radley, and yes, she's been helping me a lot today. Okay, I have a lot of products to go through, so yeah, let's just get started, jump right into it. The first product, okay, I am really excited to talk about this product. This product is called Mizon or Mizon, and it is the all-in-one Snail repair cream. Yes, it uses snail mucin, which is a copper peptide. Copper peptides are good to help rebuild collagen, help with elasticity, and also wound healing. So snail mucin is exactly what it sounds like. It is the slimy trail that snails leave behind that's used in skincare. And this brand is cruelty-free. They don't kill the snails in order to make this. This helps speed up the acne clearing process. So if I get an acne scar, it seems like it is there for forever. And then I found this stuff and it really helped clear up those like red marks that are left behind after acne. And they fade so much quicker with this. If you like the proteiny polypeptide cream, this sucker is $68. Great stuff, but this is a dupe for this. $68, and this one I want to say is $23, and they both feel the same. They're both hydrating. They both have great skincare benefits, peptides in them, and I could do a whole video on dupes. Like, I have some high-end skincare and some drugstore affordable skincare and makeup as well, and I could do a dupe on that, and this would be my first dupe. Okay, so the next product is the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation, and this one, let me just read for a second here. It is the Healthy Foundation SPF 20, has a brightening complex in it. It's like a Wuzu U extract. Hold on, I have my computer here. Let me just, Wuzu U. Yeah, Wuzu U extract that helps brighten skin. Hyaluronic acid, vitamins A, C, and E, antioxidant blend. This is one of those foundations that you can just swipe around and blend in with your fingers real quick, and then focus on certain areas that you may need more coverage on. And it definitely is buildable without being cakey. I had to look this up because I wasn't sure if they were selling this as a full coverage or a medium coverage, because I really felt like on certain days I could make it medium, and then on other days I could make it a little bit more fuller coverage, but it still looks like skin. This is more of like just a hint of a glow, but your skin looks really good. And my skin, I was having issues with my skin. It was dull, breaking out again, and I loved putting this on. It really helped my skin look a little healthier than it actually was. Okay, we are gonna stick with makeup. And this next one is the Bobbi Brown. Now this is the mini version. I got a set. I used my points at Sephora, and so I got a set of Bobbi Brown lipsticks. And this is the mini version. The full version is $29. So the color is Babe, and it's in their crushed lip color line. And this line, I haven't tried any others, just this one, but this color, it looks like a red, but it's more of like a dark pink red. I don't typically wear red lipstick. This one is a little bit darker. It's well loved, obviously. It's like shaped all weird and stuff to my lips, but yeah, I'm wearing this today. What I love about this is it feels like a balm, and the ingredients in this, it has vitamins E and C and beeswax, so it really helps with hydration, And it doesn't feel like a heavy, thick lipstick, which I really appreciate about this. This line, the Bobbi Brown, what do they call this again? The crushed lip colors, the line, I really like. So, and I wouldn't mind checking out a couple other colors in this if I wanted to buy a full size of this. So yeah, I like this one. Okay, looks like I have to go let her out. I will be right back. All right, I'm back, and I had to go let my assistant out to go to the bathroom. So, okay, the next product I want to talk about is this Alpha Skincare. This is a renewal body lotion. This has a 12% glycolic AHA. So this is a good body chemical exfoliant if you're looking for a good lotion that will also help with dry skin, crepey skin. This is a really good one. And if you have the condition, the KP condition, which is the keratosis pilaris, that's the little like dry patches or bumps that you can get on, usually typically found on the backs of arms. This would be really good for that, because though KP or keratosis pilaris, that condition is really just a bunch of dry skin and dry patches. And so this would help exfoliate those off and kind of like get those sloughed off a little bit better than just regular lotion. But this will actually like take off the dry patches and kind of lift them off a lot better. But yeah, if you've got a lot of dry patches, or like I said, the KP condition, then you might want to look into this because it's really effective and great. This is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. I love this mascara. This is a tubing mascara, and I have it on today, and I have 2 coats of this. So what I will do is I will just put it on, and then I'll move over and I'll do this side, and then I'll go back over and do a second coat, and then just sort of like, I think I used 3 actually on my ends. And you can really build this up. It doesn't flake. It doesn't, oh my gosh, it doesn't get all up in here or down below. I've had mascaras that do that. This one never smears. And what I really like about it is how easy it comes off at night. All you do is you take a little bit of warm water and you just place it on your lashes and kind of go below it and just kind of sit warm water on there, not too warm, but it just starts kind of like pulling these little tubes off. And this is actually really conditioning for your lashes as well. I've noticed that my lashes don't fall out as much, and my lashes don't get dried out. Really happy with this one. This is $24, I believe, but I really think it's worth it. I've gone through so many mascaras, and they irritate my eyes, or they flake, or they smear everywhere, and they're a nightmare. Even at night when you try to take it off, there's still remnants of black under there. This one never does that, ever. I don't even look at mascaras that much anymore because I found my holy grail mascara. These are not new. These you see in Target. You see them all around with these weird different bottle shapes. This is Essie nail polish, and these are their gel formula. And so you buy a color, whatever color, and then you buy the clear top coat that goes over it. I am not a nail person. I cannot stand having long nails, and I don't really take the time to paint my nails because the next day they're like all chipped already, so I don't even bother until I found this stuff. And first of all, I love this color. It's called Matter of Fiction, and it's like this pale pink color. It is so pretty and just gorgeous. I love it. You put about 3 coats of it on, and then you put this top gel coat on. I can paint my nails and they are chip free for like a week. And I'm telling you, I wash my hands so many times throughout the day so my nail polish comes off or gets chipped, but not with this stuff. I'm not like I said, I'm not a nail person. Toes, I take care of my feet all the time. My hands, I'm pretty kind of rough on my hands. So I need something that's just like slap on and it's good to go for a week, not painting my nails every other frickin' day. Okay, anyway. So I have a couple random things to talk about. One of which is this lotion applicator. So I know, totally weird, but I got this on Amazon. What I like about this is how it's microfiber. I paid like $9 for this. But what I really like about this is I use it for tanning cream as well to do my back, my whole backside. I use a tanning mousse that has a color guard on it, so it's kind of like a greenish brown color when it goes on here. And I just used this yesterday or the day before and then just threw it in the wash and it totally comes out clean. So I will put the mousse right here and then I just hold it like, okay, I'm making this look really difficult. It's really not. It's just hard to do when I'm sitting down. So I'll hold the bottom like this and then just kind of curve my back and I can do my whole backside like that. It's so hard to do your backside when you're tanning. You know, I guess before it was like if my husband was around, but if he's not around, I'm not gonna ask my child to come help me put tanning cream on my back. Nobody wants to put lotion on their mother's back, okay? So I found this. So I have help and my assistant doesn't help at all. So yeah, this back lotion applicator, lotion or tanning cream. Also, if you want, I have a ton of tips and tricks because I am a tanning queen when it comes to tanning mousse, tanning lotions, which ones I would recommend, and a slew of tips and tricks that I can help you with. And this would be on the first one, the whole backside, how to tan your whole backside. Really quick, without asking your poor son and damaging him for life. Another random one that I picked up, and that is the SlimFast Keto Fat Bomb. Now, I hesitated whether or not to put this in here because these are hard to find. I've been finding them at Walmart, and that seems to be the only place I can find these. My husband's super into keto. I'm more like keto light. I'm not like, I'll do it, but if they're fries, it's like, ooh, fries. When I learned about these and found out about these are travel keto bombs, so you can throw them in your purse and they're not gonna melt away. Like have a to-go fat bomb is hard to come by. I think that's why these are never in stock. They fly off the shelves. Oh, I should say, these taste like a peanut butter cup. So yeah, I think I'd go on keto just so I could eat these. That's not true. Yeah, no. Anyway, really good. Love these. So I apologize if I got you on these and then you can't ever find them. That's why when we get a bunch of boxes of these, we really kind of hoard them and we don't eat these when we're at home. We just use these on the go. Well, I don't. Maybe the kids do. Oh, I need to have a talk with them because they shouldn't be chowing these down. Okay, oh my gosh. I love this. I used this last night. This is the Ren, what is this called? This is called the Ren Ever Calm Overnight Recovery Balm. I put this on at night, so this is the last step after all of my skincare. Even after moisturizer and all of that, I let all that soak in and then I will seal it in with this stuff. And my skin in the morning when I wake up, it feels so plump and hydrated, and oh my gosh, I really like this one.
That's all I have to say about that.
My last thing I wanted to end this on is I got back into meditation and I kind of fell off doing meditation right around April or so. And I started getting really busy with, like I said, my daughter's graduation and other things like my son's baseball. And I used the excuse that I was like getting so busy. That's when you actually want to meditate and you want to have those tools with you to guide you through those stressful times. And I didn't. And it wasn't until, like I said, last week and a half or so that I've gotten back into Transcendental Meditation. And it doesn't have to be Transcendental Meditation, just meditation is so great for so many different areas of life, not just stress. For me, I wish that I would not have stopped meditating and I would have kept up with my practice, because it would have saved me a lot of the stress that I went through. And I'll link below my form of meditation. There are many forms of meditation, and yeah, but with that, I am just gonna wrap this up, you guys, and say goodbye. You wanna say goodbye? Yeah, oh, did I just wake you up? Oh, I just woke her up, yeah. Well, I'll have to take her for a walk. Yes, we'll go on a longer walk, okay? With that, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, and that way you're notified when I upload a new video. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and hope you have a wonderful June as well. We'll see you in my next video. Take care.